Welcome to Yvette Kitchen. Today I'm going to show you how you can decorate your caddy with fruits, okay? The same caddy that you use in your bathroom to store your shampoo, conditioner and your soap. So first, okay, so this is the caddy. So what I'm going to do, I'm just going to put the fruits in 3 sections. So these are some artificial fruits, but you can also store your natural fruits as well. So I'm just going to show you how you can decorate it and just hang it in your kitchen. It is so beautiful. And you can always arrange them the way you want to, but I'm just giving you an idea how you can use your caddy. Okay, and it looks something like this. Okay, so I'm just gonna hang it on the wall. Okay, so this is your beautiful decorated caddy with fruits. Alright, so subscribe to my YouTube channel, Yvette Kitchen. Live, love, laugh, and enjoy your food.